Okay, sir.
Okay, listen, let's start.
Okay, okay. Hello everyone. My name is Rishenda. Today I am going to tell you importance of English. So everyone knows English is more important for us, and everyone want to become a good public speaker. And if we want to become a good public speaker, so we have to do some work and some hard work through English, and we can do. And if I talk about myself, so I have been learning English for 5 months, and that time I didn't know how to speak English in single sentence. But I took action. After then I started learning English. And if I talking about myself, so mostly I belong to village, and I study one standard to 8th standard in government college. And everyone is know government college condition is not good like village. And teachers teachers always didn't pay attention, and they always talking each other, and the children always play like this. After 8th class I went my town, and after that I went I took admission. But my condition is not good. But college was good, but my condition is not good. So after that I handle that condition. And after then after 12th class I want to be I want to learn English, but my English is not good. And my brother always suggest me, and he scold me because he's doing job in Delhi airport. So he always told me you will have to learn English, and you need to learn English. And he always suggest me, and as well as scold me. But I want to also, so I always search in YouTube how to learn English, and I joined one institute. But I went there, so I was unable to get any. I come back from there. After that I always search on YouTube. And after that I was at home, so my brothers called me कि you are at home, so you can come daily, and you can do job यहाँ do job there. So after that I went there, and my brother's friend told me कि I faced interview, so you can, if you want to do job, so you can come with me. So after that I went there, but I didn't know English. So I learned a introduction about myself, only introduction. After that I went there, and I faced my interview. But I delivered my introduction. But after that ma'am told me anything I don't know, and I forget. I don't remember. After that she told me, do you know English? So I told her, no, I don't know. So she told me, you can go from here. And after that I felt very guilty, and I came back at home, at room. And but I want to learn English, so I joined one studio at Delhi. But I went there only 2-3 days, and I deposited like some money. After that I came back at home. And during the COVID-19 I search always on YouTube. So one time I was searching in YouTube, so I found one teacher's name is like Ajay sir, like Personal Institute. So I called him, and I told him, sir, I want to become a good public speaker, and I want to learn English, sir, help me. So he helped me. And nowadays I am learning English, and I am able to speak little bit. And I am feel comfortable. And my friends also, like in Zoom meeting, my all friends told me ki, and he always suggest me, so I learn English. And thank you, Ravinder sir, because uh, since from when I came back, and your like meeting, and you deposit like four member on group. So because I have no confidence while speaking, and whenever I speak, so I fear, and I speak any topic, so I finish my topic within 2 minutes, within 1 minute, because whatever I speak, so I speak very fastly, like and I want to always I have to finish my topic, because I have whatever I have thoughts, I delivered very fastly. And I didn't speak more. I don't speak more. So one time also I speak. So like Sanjeev sir suggest me कि you have to give time in your mind, because you don't give your time in your mind. If you will give time in your mind, so you can speak more. and I followed that rule. And after that, I think I have some little bit confidence, and I recorded my videos like and I listen, and all persons suggest me, so I recorded my video and I listen, and I see my body language. So after that, I think nowadays I am learning English, and I am good nowadays. And because in nowadays my exam going on, so that's why I was unable to give 100% focus in English. But after exam, I will 100% focus in my English, and I think I will speak in public. So thank you, Ravinder Singh, and thank all teams give me this opportunity and suggest me like this. So thank you, sir. It is
Really,
about my
really,
story.
really, Rishad, I'm very happy, because why means I'm very happy, especially your work, because you are belong to rural area, okay, and you are belong to Uttar Pradesh. And second thing, mostly time I know I connect with you. I think last 5 to 6 months, and I know very well. Means mostly time you just a network problem, okay. And same thing when it means all person, all students, they always time like you do procrastination, and they always time give up lots of skill, okay. I have means I don't have like a good connectivity, I don't have it like this type of circumstances. 100% listen, you will give a very very big message in our, especially for younger as well as some other society members also, okay. They always time told about, they always time like they give up a skill, excuse you like it means my side don't have it like a good network, okay. Don't have it like a money in this type thing, okay. And my memory also not good. Because I know very well when means I made first time I think recent that time like I have lots of like worried about, and confidence is very low and hesitation lots of. But now all person we can see, okay, Risendra, and all person today I means my feeling very very means like a high level, because all persons they uh, face it anybody like today, and in previous time all person too much worried about, okay. But now one now also some person have a little bit fear, but definitely I will believe, okay, one day they will clear all like a doubt and hesitation. Really, Risen, I am very happy.